Look, this entire scene we're stuck in, it's full of noise pretending to be progress. Everyone talks about skill like it's something you've got or don't, like a badge you slap on, but that's bullshit. The future network, the real one that's actually going to matter, it's not about paper credentials. It's not about who you know or what pedigree you carry. It's about a different kind of skill, genuine skill, that's invisible to most, and that's why so many founders, investors, leaders feel stuck, frustrated, even angry. Because everyone's selling a hollow promise, you work hard, you'll get ahead. But what happens? You hit invisible walls. You see the same ideas recycled, the same people get all the breaks, and no matter how hard you grind, nobody notices real ability. That frustration, that's how you know this system is broken. But here's the thing, it's not your fault if the system doesn't reward real skill, because the system isn't built for it. It's built for conformity, papers, connections, status. And if you're trying to win in this rigged game by playing the same way, you're losing. You're angry because nobody sees your real value, your real skill set. But that anger, it's a power you can flip. You don't have to scream louder, you don't have to beg for permission, you have to build your own network, your own way of showing what you actually bring. Forget meeting hundreds of people. Forget shallow networks where everyone's just collecting contacts like Pokemon cards. Real connection is rare, but that's exactly what you need. You need to link to those few others who are actually building something different, people who don't settle for the system's rules, who think in terms of constant growth, sharp skill, relentless improvement. Stop chasing validation through likes, titles, or old-school status markers. Instead, laser focus on proving your skill through relentless deliverables, through helping others reach a new level, through being that person who makes things move faster, better, smarter. Here's what you do now. Trim everything that wastes your time and energy on bullshit recognition. Stop playing the game where legacy or identity wins. Build skills so strong nobody can ignore it. But here's the catch. It's not just about what you know or can do. It's about creating partnerships that multiply your skill. Find those few who multiply your impact. Don't just add noise. Build relationships not because they look good on paper, but because they demand top-level collaboration. Create an environment where skill is tested daily, where failure is just feedback and mastery is the only result you accept. If you want to beat the frustration, the stagnation, the anger over being invisible, double down on self-overcoming. Challenge your own limits. Daily, brutal, focused. It's not sexy, it's not glamorous, it's not about talent, it's about work, grit, and sharpening edge against edge. You must own your growth like it's your life's mission, because it is. This isn't a one-time push, it's constant. And the network you build? Make it autonomous. Don't hand over control to some institution or hierarchy. You're creating a system where only what's earned counts every day, where power follows skill immediately, not waiting for politics or favors. This network will crush mediocrity and refuse to tolerate fake skill or status parasites. It will be ruthless, unrelenting, real. If you do this, you don't just solve your own frustration. You upend the whole map. You create a space where merit is visible and measurable, where the future network isn't a fake parade of titles, but a living, breathing system built entirely on the work and skill of real people. Where founders, investors, operators connect not for vanity, but for impact. This is how you beat the bullshit, the wasted time, the anger. Start now. Build real skill. Find real partners. Demand real results every day. Leave behind the ghosts of who you were told to be. And watch as the system you create becomes the real future. Not just for you, but for everyone who refuses to settle. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.